The choice of a lawyer is an important decision and should not be based solely upon advertisements.
Hi, I'm James Pavisian, one of the VA attorneys here at Parmele Law Firm, and I want to explain to you what comp and pen exams are. Comp and pen stands for Compensation and Pension Examinations. They are examinations that the VA will order to get more information about an illness that you suffer from. Comp and pen examinations used to be done in-house at the VA, but over the last few years, the VA has contracted that work out to 3 major contractors: QTC, Veteran Exam Services, and LHI, which goes under the business name of Optum. One of these 3 companies is going to contact you to schedule a time for you to meet with one of their contract providers. There are usually 4 different types of providers that do these exams. You have your typical MDs and DOs, although they're reserved for some of the more unique cases. Most often, if you're talking about a physical ailment, you're going to be meeting with a nurse practitioner or a physician's assistant. And then for behavioral health, like PTSD or major depressive disorder, you're going to be meeting primarily with a psychologist. None of these doctors, nurses, or physician's assistants you're going to meet with are actually VA employees. A lot of them are either working for themselves or are moonlighting because they work for other companies or hospitals. They get paid for completing forms that the VA sends out. These forms are known as disability benefits questionnaires. Sometimes it's just to fill out the disability benefit questionnaire for your specific illness. Other times it's to get a medical opinion about when or why your illness came into existence. Regardless, these examiners are going to complete the same form for you that they would for anyone else with the same illness. These examiners are not paid any differently depending on how they fill out these forms. So they're unbiased in the evaluation of your case. It's very important that you make your appointment. If for any reason you're not able to, let's say for example, on the day you're supposed to go, the weather's particularly bad, or your car breaks down, please give us a call so we can contact the contractor with you and get that appointment rescheduled. Or at a minimum, send in something to the VA asking them to reschedule the appointment because you missed it due to unforeseen circumstances. When you do arrive at the appointments, make sure you're always courteous and do everything the examiner asks you to do, because there's usually a purpose behind it. Because those disability benefits questionnaires that I told you they fill out, they're going to ask them to do certain things during the exam and give an answer to what results of that exam on that form. If you have any questions about your specific exam, I encourage you to reach out to us. Here at Parmele Law Firm, we typically will schedule a time for you to meet with an attorney to talk about the exam and what information to share with them that's important. But if for some reason you are not a Parmele client or have some questions about an exam, give us a call. We're more than happy to talk about those with you. At the end of the day though, we hope that the exam goes well and that the results come out in your favor. Thank you.